Hi, today we are going to see colorful cupcake order form. This is a simple order form which you can expose to the customers and they can fill out the details to order for the colorful cupcakes. So basically we have got some few fields added up over here which can be filled in by the customers to order for colorful cupcakes. You can obviously edit and customize any of these fields as per your liking. This is just a sample template file for a use case. How exactly does this work? Once the customer fills in all the details from the top to bottom and clicks on submit, the response gets captured on the responses side of things next to the form builder. So let us test this out. So go to the form builder, click on share form, make sure all these fields are as it is shown in the screen. Click on copy form link and expose this link to the prospective customer who is looking to order for colorful cupcakes. Okay. Once you provide the link to the customer, they will be able to see a view like this. So I'm going to randomly fill in some of the details over here, and then I'm going to fill in some of the coupon code. I'm going to click on submit. The response has now been submitted, and if you go back to the responses side of things, you will be able to see the response got captured over here in the responses tab. Okay, so as the customer fills in the particular details in this form builder, the response gets captured over here quickly. So you can edit and customize with all these fields as per your liking. This is just a sample template file. Besides this, I also want to talk about a new tool, PDF Output. PDF Output is a tool that can help you generate PDF documents, and it does in bulk. It utilizes a Notion page which acts as a source of template file, and it also exercises the use of Notion database, which is a source of database where all the content and information is placed that would be replaced on the Notion page to generate PDF documents. I've added a video of invoices, and you can watch this video to understand how exactly bulk PDF are generated for invoices. You can obviously replicate this process for any document that you want to generate for a use case, and it utilizes the exact same workflow for PDF output that I just talked about. So do watch this video and please check out PDF output if you are in need of bulk PDF automation. If you want to send me any email or any queries, please do that by reaching out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. This is where I can help you or assist you with any queries. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.